Today we are going to see combination. The process of different selection without repetition, repetition. That repetition is called combination. Consider A, B, C, D. 4 persons. We have to select 2. But permutation 4P2 we have to select. That is AB, AC, AD, BC, BD and CD. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and BA, CA, DA, CB, DB, DC. This is permutation. 4 into 3, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12 permutation. But in combination is C. 4C2 means only selection. No, don't bother about order. AB, AC, AD, BC, BD, CD only. AB and BA are same selection, right? Therefore, definition. Combination is the selection of Combination is the selection of n things taken or at a time without repetition. That is NCR is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. In NPR permutation, n factorial by n minus r factorial only, but NCR is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. This is the formula. Therefore, at for an example, 5p3 means 3 numbers 5 into 4 into 3. This is permutation. But in combination is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 by 1 into 2 into 3. These 3 numbers by division. Then it is minimum. 5p3 is maximum. Example. Find 8C2. Solution. 8C2 is equal to 8 into 7, 2 numbers, by 1 into 2. 28 is the answer. Then properties. We have some properties in combination. properties. Properties 1. NC0 is equal to NCN is equal to 1. Second property, NC1 is equal to N. Third property, NC2 is equal to two numbers, n into n minus 1 by 1 into 2, that is 2 factorial. And it is an important property, NCX is equal to NCY. N is equal, but X here Y, both are equal means then either X equal to Y or X plus Y is equal to N. X plus Y is equal to N. This is the important property. Fifth property, NCR is equal to NCN minus R. For an example, here 8C7 is equal to 8 minus 7, 1. Both are equal. By the formula we take these both are equal, we can prove it. We can use it for many examples, for many problems we can use this property. Sixth one, NCR plus NCR minus 1, n is equal, here R, here 1 less than 1, then R minus 1 is equal to, add 1 here, n plus 1, C big one, R. This is also used by some problems. Seventh last property, NCR is equal to NPR by R factorial. This is the NCR and NPR. Both formulas are equalized by this property. Another example, if NC4 is equal to NC6, find 12CN. Find 12CN. Solution. If given NC4 is equal to NC6, it is by property NCX is equal to NCY. X and Y are equal, but not here equal. Then R X plus Y is equal to N. N is equal to X plus Y. That property we are going to use. Therefore, NC4 is equal to NC6 means both 4 is not equal to 6. Then N is equal to 4 plus 6 is the value. N is equal to 10. N is equal to 10. Then we are going to find 12CN is equal to 12C10. By property, we can change it as it is big one. Then 12 minus 10 is equal. Therefore, 12C2. Therefore, 12 into 2 numbers, 11 by 1 into 2, 6. Therefore, 66 is the answer.